I've never had Tanghulu before, so we just ordered some. 1 a.m. right now. I'm packing and we're gonna have a little Tanghulu snack. The first one is a whole tangerine. Tangerine?
tangerine 맞아? mandarin orange.
It's so sweet.
It is supposed to be. It's sugar coated. I got the end.
Okay, it's really good. It's sweet, but they give you a little cup with a hole in it so you can put it in like this. This is Shine Musket. I like the tangerine because it has kind of a sour tanginess. This is just sweet. It's so good. Oh my god. You can also get it in pieces like this.